The rivers of our country means this is about our life and about the future of this nation and about the future generations who will live in this country. So, everybody should rally for rivers.
Join us on September 3rd to celebrate a day dedicated to revitalizing India's lifelines. The celebrations will begin with a special message from Ibrahim Thiaw, the Executive Secretary of United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. This will be followed by the worldwide digital premiere of Cauvery Calling, a race to save a river, an exciting documentary about Cauvery Calling. The celebration will culminate with a conversation between the Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Shri Prakash Javadekar, and Sadhguru, where they will discuss the revitalization of India's rivers. Join us online on September 3rd for an informative and inspiring day.